Hi everyone, welcome to the course, and today you will be learning that how you can deploy your own project using Vercel. So first of all, let's dive into that, and you need to open something called GitHub. So why GitHub? You really need to create your account on GitHub, but if you haven't created your account, just create it. Let me just show you GitHub download. So you need to set up Git and GitHub. There are n number of resources available. You can go to that and you can download it. So your GitHub will look like something like, so I've already logged in and I don't want to log out because anyways I will have to log in again. So you will see something like that when you will logged in. Basically, what Git and Hub is, whenever we work in a corporate, we maintain all the projects over there, okay, by creating a repository so that whenever anybody wants to watch my project, that particular person can review my code. So what I want to do is, I want you to create over here. So it is the version control. Git and GitHub is the remote server kind of thing where I can't show my static websites to anyone on dynamic. I don't want to buy domain. So what I will do, I will use the GitHub so that anybody can review my code and can open my websites. Okay. So to do that, first of all, if you want to deploy your project, whatever we have created, we are going to deploy that only. So let's create one repo of first, or let's suppose your form. Okay, so form is there, and now click on create repository. So your repo is created. Now GitHub is that much good that it will give you all the detail whatever you need to do it. So what you need to do in the VS Code to set up it, when you will do git init, the very first step, whatever you will be writing, it will be asking you some permissions and your credentials. Just give that with that particular, and remember that you have to give only that credential to which you have logged into your GitHub. So in here, let's do one thing. I want to first of all stop this particular thing. My code, I hope it's not running. Yeah, it's not running. So let's do git init. Okay, so this will initialize my Git, and what I want next to do is, see, next step is, I don't want to add the readme file for now. I just want to do git commit and put a message. This command will help you to write a message with this code, that whatever I am pushing, I want to write it so that another person will let know that what I have written it, will get to know. Okay, so in the commit, what I want, it's my initial project. Okay, so okay, I have not added it. Okay, so to add all the files on the repo, I want to do git add. So all the files will get added. Can you just see, without pushing that all the files to the staging area, what I did, I directly tried to commit it. So it showed me the messages that I have not edited this particular thing. So now if I'll say git status, it will show me all the green files that is added to my GitHub. Now let's do git commit final push. Okay, I did that. See, all the files got added to my staging area. Now next step I want to do is, I want to copy this particular thing and I want to paste it, because this is the repo I created, my form. Okay, so enter it, that particular repo is added. So it means I want to remotely add my origin at this particular place. So now connectivity between this code and GitHub is done. Next step is to push this particular thing. So I can't push it to main because it's my branches on master. See, so what I need to do, I need to do git push origin master. So enter it. It will take some time and it will push on your repo. So refresh it. You will see that all the files you are getting over here. Now this is one way that you added all of your files over here. Now you can see all the files over here. You can go to public. You will get all these things, whatever we did. Now I want this project to be publicly available to anyone. I would like to keep it remotely so that anybody can view it. For that, we will use Vercel. Vercel is something which will help us to connect it with the GitHub and will help us to host it. So see, I have already logged in. You just log in, okay, and after that you will get something to install. Install means you want to connect your GitHub, okay, and also log in with GitHub only, okay. So you will get something like this. I have already hosted one project of yours which you can click and you can view. See this one, but cut this and come back to your this thing, previous one. Now to here, click on add and go to project, okay. So see, it is showing that 1 minute ago you added this particular things to your folder to your GitHub. Now click on import, and when you click on import, it is showing your project name to be form. Leave it as a form. Now click on deploy. As soon as you will click on deploy, it will start deploying your project. Now it will show that whatever it is time it is taking, what process it is doing, it's showing, see, running, installing dependency and everything. It will take few seconds and it will show you the deployment. Even you can cancel your deployment if you want. So yeah, this process is a little time consuming. It will not take much time, just a few minutes, and it will deploy everything. See, the deployment is done. It's saying congratulations, you have deployed a new project. Now you can click on this thing and it will get open. So now what is your domain name over here? formlac3vercel.app. Okay, you can dismiss this. So this is what you hosted successfully. Now let's see. I want to put a message over here. Write hi and click on submit. See, you're getting a message. So I hope you have understood the process that how you can host your own particular project on Vercel by connecting it with the help of GitHub. So thank you so much everyone. I hope you have understood everything. Thank you.